Remember, I had to jump start this vehicle and I tried to flip this upside down to see if I had any change. Well, I left this vehicle running for about 30 minutes, test drove it and everything. Dashboard lit up. A lot of wheel speed sensor codes and vehicle speed sensor, which has to do with that right there, which appears has already been replaced. Maybe a junkyard one, I have no idea. I turned it off and the vehicle has no more power. So it only has power if I jump start it. And I did notice that is loose as well. Ooh, kind of hot. Maybe that terminal and that terminal both at the same time are bad. And I mean, hell, I have 12 volts at my battery. If I could tighten that one up and see if I get my power. It only has power if the vehicle's running off the alternator. So I got some digging to do. I got some diagnosing to do. I need some more diag. See if it'll crank up now. Oh my goodness. I didn't even need further diag. What I did, I cleaned up that terminal, tightened up both of them as best as I can, and I got connection back. What? That's fully collapsed, and that's fully collapsed, so it does need a negative cable and a positive terminal.